Hi, I'm Rachelle, founder of Supernatural and your host of Plant-Based with Well+Good. And today I'm going to show you how to make a gut-friendly golden milk smoothie. Gut health is something that comes up all the time in my practice, in questions from the community, in just this sort of general struggle with having happy digestion. And gut health is important because it's such a central system to our entire body. We have the gut-brain axis, so it's affecting mental health and mood and brain health. It is affecting our immune system. They're very, very close, the gut health and the immune system. Really just a sort of systemic, overall important system to balance. For gut well-being, there are some pillars, some boxes that we want to check. And if we do that, then we maintain a really happy system. So I always recommend probiotics, prebiotics, which are fiber, some good spices and herbs. Overall, these ingredients help to repair and also maintain the health of your microbiome. So traditionally, golden milk is more of a latte, right? We have coconut milk and turmeric and some black pepper and some other spices. And it's a fantastic way to consume turmeric, and it works any time of year. So this is a riff on that in a smoothie version. All right, let's make this smoothie. So I always like to start with fruit on the bottom. So do a banana. And then we're going to do some steamed yam in here. So this is beautiful for so many reasons. Obviously the color, but also yam is a very good source of prebiotic starch. So you're getting some gut-friendly fiber and starches in there. It's also low glycemic. It's slow to kind of digest and absorb, so you get this stable energy. It's very easy to digest. Love yam. All right, we're doing some dates. So this is your natural sugar. Just make sure to hit those things. You do a couple, sort of depends on your preference. I think I'll do 3, which will be nice to offset the yam, which is a little bit less sweet, right? So also a slow to digest, really nice source of fiber, which is great for the gut, are oats. So I'm gonna throw some of those in. Oats are also a very cool way to make a smoothie kind of thick and fluffy. I am not measuring, it doesn't really matter. About a tablespoon is a good reference. Do a little bit of vanilla. I'm a big fan of vanilla in smoothies. You probably know this by now. It does incredible things for the flavor, and it works in almost any variety. Now we have some prebiotic fiber. So this is psyllium and acacia. There are lots of different kinds of prebiotic fiber. So technically the yams are prebiotic, the oats are prebiotic, the acacia psyllium is prebiotic. And what that means is that it's fiber or starch that the probiotics gobble up and eat to stay alive. So we use probiotics and prebiotics together to make a super happy gut. Now we're gonna toss the probiotics in. So these are the actual bacteria that make up most of our existence, really. And I'm just opening a little capsule of probiotics and I'll dump it into the smoothie. Super easy. You'll never know it's there. Now we're going to use some turmeric. So this is your golden milk, and this turmeric is, all turmeric is phenomenally beneficial for so many things, including gut health. Okay, I'm actually just putting it all in. Including gut health. It is a systemic anti-inflammatory. It reduces inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, in the brain. It's prebiotic. Its benefits are just endless. I'm a huge fan of turmeric. And if you do a tiny bit of black pepper, which we call a bioenhancer, black pepper will make the turmeric more absorbable. I'm also throwing in some chai spices, which is a really nice way to make this even more exciting. And optional, protein powder. Stick with something that's unflavored or vanilla. And then last but not least, coconut milk. Coconut milk is the traditional base for golden milk, so definitely want it here. Ooh, that is going to be so good. So, let us get into this deliciousness. Depending on how much fiber you add, your smoothie may be super thick, yum, like this, which is my fave. Delish. Like sweet potato pie. All right, so let's add a little garnish here. There you have it, gut-friendly golden milk smoothie. And smoothies are great for gut health also because they are blended, which makes them easier to digest. And for our taste, I'm going to use a spoon because this is thick, like sweet potato pie amazingness. And digestion starts in the mouth. So even if you're having a smoothie, it's a good idea to swish it, chew it, chomp it, do whatever you're gonna do in your mouth so you start digesting those carbohydrates before we suck it all down into our guts. Yum. It's like all the flavors of the golden milk in such a delicious, thick in this case, smoothie. You could have this anytime. This is such a great recipe. I really hope you enjoy it. Thanks for hanging out today. For more episodes of Plant-Based, subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel. And for more herbalism, follow me on Instagram.